Hi, this is Dr. Dave Elwell, and I'd like to welcome you to this health tip video, and it's one in a series that I have put out. And as an emergency medicine physician for 20 plus years, I have found, and this is an issue that's becoming more and more common, that people are coming to the emergency room with acute care issues and they haven't addressed them with their primary care provider. And what I hear frequently is that people have a health maintenance exam in 3 or 4 weeks, and when we talk about it, I find that they had planned on talking about this healthcare issue at their health maintenance exam. So what I'm going to give you is a tip that's really important. It seems obvious, but I see it enough that it's not. And that is, when you have an acute care issue, call your primary care provider, make a separate appointment to address just that issue. I'll give you an example. I have a family member who had a specialty appointment, and in the process of that, they had a lab test done that found out that they were quite anemic. That means that their blood level was low, and she's been suffering from some significant fatigue, and that's probably related to it. So when I said to her, call your primary provider so that you can address that, she said, well, I have an appointment in 3 or 4 weeks, and I'll talk about it then. And therein lies a problem, and that is, what you have to understand is that that healthcare provider at your maintenance exam has to focus on your health maintenance. They are very unlikely to have the time to be able to really address the anemia and the fatigue. So my recommendation was for her to call, make that appointment. There's some extra blood tests that might need to be done. They can talk about the anemia and even follow that up at 3 to 4 weeks. If people were to do this, to call their physician and make those separate appointments, they'd find their health maintenance exam is far more effective, and they don't have to try to squeeze in some of the acute care issues. That's just one tip that I'd like to give you about how to make those visits really effective. I have more tips and right now you can find them on YouTube. I have Dr. Dave Elwell tips on YouTube that pretty soon are going to be on a new website called vitapillars.com, where we're going to have lots of Vita tips to help you understand how to take care of yourself, how to be healthy, how to get healthy. And with that, I really would like to thank you for visiting and seeing this video today. Lots of happiness and health to you from Dr. Dave.